Oh my gosh, so fun. I love bubbles.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of bubble fun. Today we're going to be making some bubble wands that make giant bubbles. So what you'll need is some yarn, 2 straws, a pair of scissors, a tray or a bowl or some kind of something to put your bubble solution in, and then bubble solution. This is our homemade bubble solution from one of our previous episodes, so feel free to go check that out if you don't have any bubble solution. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started.
So first step, you're going to take just one of your 2 straws, your spool of yarn or whatever yarn you have, and scissors. And if you got a kit for this, you should already have the measured out string, and if not, here's how we do it. So you're gonna take the straw, you're gonna measure out a straw's length worth of yarn and just pinch it at that top, let it go, come down to the tail, pinch it where the tail and the yarn meet, let go, bring it down, pinch it all together, and then you're gonna cut it off. And it's better to err on the side of too much than too little. So now all we need is your yarn or pre-cut yarn and your 2 straws. And you're gonna go ahead and thread your yarn through 1 straw, just all the way through. You have your tail, and go ahead and bring that down like almost all the way. And then go ahead and keep on threading that same thread through your other straw. It's better to thread it with your straw kind of angled down if you can, so that gravity can kind of help you get that thread out. There we go. So now you're going to take each tail of your yarn, you're going to bring them together and unite them, have them tie the knot, and have nice little bubble matrimony right here. Nice and tight. You don't need a lot of tail. You don't even have to trim that off because you can just pull the string around until you have your knot hidden in one of the straws. Then you're going to take some kind of tray or dish or something. It does not have to be as deep as this, where we barely have this one full. So it can be a much thinner tray, it can be a bowl, whatever you have on hand is fine to use. And we're going to use some of our bubble solution from a previous video. That link will be down in the description. It is a more durable bubble solution, which is probably the better one for our giant bubbles. So you are going to go ahead and dunk your straws, string and all, into this bubble solution in the tray. Get your fingers all the way up to like your knuckles, nice and saturated too. And we do that so then your bubbles are less likely to pop on you. I'll show you what we mean. Because you're going to hold this by the straws like this and just blow some ginormous bubbles. It's the best. You can also take this, and if you have like a yard or something that you can run through, you can just open them up and run around with them. I'm sitting down indoors, so that's probably not the best idea. Well, I popped it. So I'm just gonna blow bubbles like I usually would, but it's really fun to do it just like this as well. So fun. So yeah, I could do that all day. If I wanted to make these even completely saturated with hands and bubbles, it makes a slightly bigger bubble wand for you. Bring them together just to really saturate them in there. Make sure you get your hands and stuff in there too. Pull it on out and just, oh yeah, that was good. And try running around with them like that too. You can hold them in like different shapes and stuff too, like long ways if you want. Ooh, that was cool. and just play around with it because they're bubbles and you can have so much fun with bubbles, and why wouldn't you want to play around with it? We used bendy straws today. We can also do smoothie straws. You might get some bigger wands or something better to hold on to if you have someone who has little hands that wants to do this, and they might be able to grip this a little better, and then you really do want to make sure that their whole hand is pretty saturated in bubbles. So I hope you had fun. I had fun. I'm gonna keep having fun. I hope you keep having fun because now you can make giant bubbles of your own. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. So we'll see you next time for more fun with bubbles. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye.